Oh my god, this looks so juicy. इसका वेलवेट ब्राउन से दूर दूर तक कोई नाता नहीं है. Like चचेरा ममेरा भाई भी नहीं है ये वेलवेट ब्राउन का. All my subbies asking for pink nudes. Here it is. Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi and in today's video we are back with a brown and pink nude lipstick swatch video. I heard you. So today we have pink nudes as well as brown nude lipsticks and all in the new launch category. Very excited to try all of these shades on my bare skin. I'm NC14 MAC for reference and 312 golden in Fit Me Maybelline. So yes, if that interests you, then please continue watching and do hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. All of the products would be tagged in the description box below. You can check it out from there. Now let's begin with today's video. Okay, so let's begin with the newest launch from the house of SimplyNam by Namrata Soni. So I love their OG lip formula that they have in their collection, which is their velvet matte lipsticks. I love them. It is so comfortable and very long wearing. So when I saw these, I was super excited. Now again, these are something in the similar line, but more on the comfortable side is what I would say. So I had to try it out. I picked up two shades. It is known as the Satin Soft Lip Cream and the colors I chose were Isha and Roselin. So that is the shade Isha on me right now, which is described as an almond pink color, and I would give it that. When you apply it fresh, it is slightly muted and little brighter, but as it dries to a deeper shade. Now you can see more of brown with hints of pink in it. Like, this shade is so pretty, so pretty. The formula is very nice, thin consistency, and like it's literally weightless on my lips right now. It does not even transfer. So it is that soft, comfortable lip cream, a weightless feel on the lips that you can wear all day long. I love the formula, and it is also like blurring a bit on my lips, so I loved it. The MRP is 1099 rupees of these lip creams, while on Amazon I found them at a steal price of a discount, and I grabbed it for literally like 879 rupees, so you can like get yours as well. While the shade Isha is available at just 824 rupees at a 25% discount plus additional 5% is also available, so you can apply the coupons and get like a 30% discount on these lip creams. I loved it. 824 is like a steal for how pretty this shade looks. The second shade I picked was Roselin, and it's described as a toasted caramel. Like, did I just find the perfect brown nude lipstick for dusky skin? Like, this looks so good on my skin tone. Like, most beautiful salted caramel kind of color. I just love it. It looks absolutely stunning. Loved it. It is not like a very deep brown, neither it's like very nutty or light in color. It's like the perfect, just like the name, toasted shade for us dusky skin. I loved it, and the formula, they killed it again with this one. 10 on 10, 10 on 10. Definitely grab it. The satin lip creams from SimplyNam are definitely Nidhi approved. Up next, from the house of Lakme, as I told you in my last brown nude lipstick video that I was eyeing this shade and I had to buy this as well as soon as it came back in stock. It is the Higher Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Monday Mocha. And how pretty is the diamond cut packaging. And this shade again is a very pretty color to own. Okay. So Lakme is definitely not kidding, and they've nailed the formula as well as the colors. This shade looks so good. So good. Loved it. The price is as well, like, you can definitely check it out right away because abhira there are crazy discounts going on Amazon, and you can grab this shade for 799 and other shades for like 639 rupees. So it's like raining deals. The shade Monday Mocha is a pretty pink nude with hints of brown, perfect for everyday wear. So all my subbies asking for pink nudes, here it is, and loved it. Again, the formula is slightly thicker in consistency as compared to like lip creams. It's slightly a hybrid, as I said in my previous video, of liquid lipsticks as well as lip cream. The best part is that the finish is velvet matte, and it also blurs down all of the lines on my lips, because I have a lot of surface area on my lips and those lines exaggerate it even more. So drying liquid lipsticks is just not Midi's thing, but this one killed it. Okay, then we have an affordable launch from the House of Blue Heaven. Like, they have just aced up their game, and this is literally Blue Heaven to my surprise. They came up with the Ultimatte Whipp lip liquid lipsticks, which are just like lip creams, and I wanted to give it a try because last time I tried their whipped lip creams and I was blown by how good the colors and the formula was. So I wanted to try this out. I picked up two colors again. The first shade is Velvet Brown and the other one is Pretty Pink. So let's try it out. That is the packaging of the Ultimate Whip lip from Blue Heaven. That is the color Velvet Brown. This smells like some chocolate bakery product, like cocoa powder. Literally smells just like that. इसका velvet brown से दूर दूर तक कोई नाता नहीं है, like चचेरा ममेरा भाई भी नहीं है ये velvet brown का. This is straight up like a coral, and what did you do, Blue Heaven? Like the shade listed here, like look at the shade on the website. It is brown. And look at it on my skin, like it's literally coral. No bro, this is a nowhere brown. I'm slightly taken aback with this. While these were very affordable, $299 is the MRP, while you can get it off a discounted price right now for 269 rupees off Amazon, and that is how the product is listed there. So anyways, we are checking the formula as well. It applied creamy, and it is still like drying. It hasn't yet dried down to its complete matte finish. So I think it would take like a minute to dry down, but let's try the other shade because I'm not loving the shade. Wait a second, I did not order Pretty Pink. I ordered Choco Whip and Velvet Brown, and they've sent me the wrong shade. Oh, this is not the color I ordered. This is like straight up pink. No. This is definitely not the one I ordered, but those are the two shades. Sad about it. So let's try the brown itself and look for the formula. You know, when I'm applying it, it feels as if I'm baking a mug cake or something like that. Feels the scent is so much like that of cocoa powder. Feels just like that. Okay. So I'm sad that they sent me the wrong color, but that is the shade Velvet Brown. I'm sad that it is not how it is listed on the website. The shade is very different, but the formula is definitely velvet matte, and once it dries down, it does transfer very negligible and not much. It gives that soft matte finish on the lips. I doubt if this stuff would last, but yeah, that is how it is. See, like it's almost like 90% dried, so it's like hardly transferring. Definitely it is very smooth on my lips. Like you can see how smooth and lightweight, non-sticky it is on my lips. I'm just sad that the shade is not like brown as I expected it to be, and how it was listed. But apart from that, the formula is actually very comfortable. Like a lip cream, reminds me so much of the Miss Claire lip creams because it is super comfortable. And lastly, we have the most viral launch in the house from TIRTIR. So I picked up 3 shades of their Waterism tinted lip gloss. One is honey, the other shade is fig peach, and the last one is scotch shot. So let's try it out. This lipstick packaging looks so good, like so pretty. It also has the branding done at the bottom. Just loved it. The first shade here with us is scotch shot, and that is how the applicator is. It's nice slanted bent applicator. So let's try it. Okay, so literally Romand has a nice competition in the house because these lip glosses are super lightweight on the lips. Feels like a thin jelly and it's so comfortable. It just glided and is packed with pigment. Looks so juicy on my lips. I am living. Loved it, loved it, loved it. And the best part is that these actually stain and leave a tint behind. So when you remove it, there you go. That is the tint that it has left behind, which is even and not at all patchy. So I loved it. And another pro of these glosses is that these are transfer proof high shine glosses which leave tint behind. Like aur kya chahiye tha. Loved it, loved it, loved it. That was the first shade. Now let's try Fig Peach 04. Okay, so that is the shade Fig Peach on my skin tone. So again, it is that beautiful warm caramel color. Looks so pretty on my skin. You just have to give it like a minute to sit on your lips and then it does not transfer. Right now it is like high shine formula which feels extremely comfortable on the lips. So if I try now, you can see that a little bit of color is getting transferred, but I will show you if you give it like a good minute to dry down, then it does not transfer at all because I tried it out that day. I just could not resist. So that was the shade Fig Peach. There you go. It does not transfer. You can only see the gloss transferring, but it is still so glossy on my lips. Loved, 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 loved it. Again, this too would leave a tint behind on my lips. You can see the stain right there. Loved it. So let's try the last shade out, which is Honey Nut 06. I am sold, I am sold, I am sold. This color looks crazy good on me. It's a nice nutty brown color for us dusky girls. You would love it. That's the shade Honey Nut. Looks so good. Okay, you can see. And that is the stain that is left behind. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Post wiping it off, you can see the tint it has left behind. That is 05, 04 and 06. Now the TIRTIR Waterism lip tints right now is available at a 20% discount off Amazon. So the MRP is 1100 rupees while it is available at 880 rupees only. So that is your time to grab them because they are at a great discount right now. So 880 rupees. Love the formula. If you love the Romand lip tints, then you should definitely try these out as well. And with that, I finish all of the new brown and pink nude lipsticks. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, then hit the like button. Do subscribe to join the trend fam, and humbling it in the next video. Till then, take care. Namaste. Keep trending.